Creating an invoice in a cash flow account is a straightforward process that can help streamline online business operations. Manually generating invoices through Excel or PDF can be time-consuming. But with a cash flow account, invoices can be created and managed in one place. To create an invoice, start by logging into the cash flow account and navigating to the home screen, where there are two ways to initiate the process. By clicking the Create New button on the top right and selecting Sales Invoice from the drop-down menu, or by clicking on Sales and then Sales Invoices at the top of the screen. Either method will bring you to the same page, where you can view all pending invoices and click Create New to start the process. When creating a new sales invoice, you can assign an invoice number, set the issue date to today, previously, or a future date, and specify the due date. You can also adjust the currency and add a new customer by clicking the plus button. To add products to the invoice, simply click the plus icon and select the product, or add a new one if it's not already listed. You can then specify the quantity, description, and rate for each product. The total will be calculated automatically. Additionally, you can set up online payment options, such as Stripe, to allow customers to pay directly from the invoice. Once the invoice is set up, click the Save button, and then you can print, email, or mark the invoice as sent. This process makes it easy to manage invoices and receive payments in a timely manner.